Perfect tool. Dampen the bottom. Come through. Down, down, come up and down, and you're out of there. Not a lot of water. You might have to use a rag at the bottom, and you're gone. You've cleaned all the fingerprints off of the door. It's a great thing to teach people, or just a little additive tip that you give to some people. But this is the tool that does it.
When you put the harness on, you want to make sure it fits you like a glove. And I'll tell you, gentlemen, I have a picture of my car I elected not to bring here. But there is a picture of a gentleman who put on this type of style harness, and he put the leg straps on nice and loose like I'm doing right now. All right, we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's progress. The leg straps are not right, and I'll show you why in a second. The next item you want to put on is connect your chest strap, right here in the petrol, right in the chest area. And this strap is meant to stop this from falling off, because if you fall, you're going to get arrested by the D-ring in the back, and if this shoulder strap is off the shoulder on the side of you like this, it's going to rip you and most likely break something, and it's going to hurt like crazy while you're waiting to be rescued. So this is to keep your shoulder straps securely on your shoulders. Do not twist it. Make sure it's not twisted right, because if you twist it, OSHA is going to think you don't know what you're doing when they walk by. They're going to start asking more questions. So tighten this up to keep your the shoulder straps on the shoulders. All right, women. Any of you women wearing harnesses? This is a male harness. We have cross your heart harnesses to address your body parts that are a little different to men. You do not want to wear one of these. These are squashes over here. Not a good idea. You do not want to be squashed while you're hanging up there. All right, so we have cross your heart harnesses for ladies. And I can't quite see you putting on a harness and going up a ladder, but maybe I'm wrong. You do? You wash windows? Or you just, yeah? Okay, different harnesses for females, all right? Now, once this is on, the next thing I want to concern myself with is the D-ring, to make sure that it's in the center of the back, right opposite here. It's no good to put it here, or down here, or all the way up here. That's not the way it's meant to be used. And I can't see this one, so you always have to ask somebody you trust, that you've known for a long time, like you, and say, hey, is this in the right place?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to help each other out. So my harness is on. I'm ready to go. I fall, God forbid. First thing that happens is the lanyard's attached to the D-ring. Gentlemen, what will happen to me if I fall is I will fall into the harness. I don't need to tell you where the leg straps are taking all the shock load to, do I? And the picture in the car that I have shows a man's testicles that have been knocked right out of his body because he didn't put the harness on properly, and when he fell into the harness and exposed himself in a way that you never want to be caught with. This is not anything any of us want. So please, every time you put on your leg straps, make sure that you secure them, that there is no ability for you to fall into the harness. This is tight. You don't want to walk around like this. This is not an uncomfortable situation, but you surely don't want to have one that creates what I call huevos rancheros. All right? No good, much better. Everybody okay with this? Yeah? We'll never do that wrong again, right? You're laughing.
Mountain